The reverse crunch is an excellent abdominal spinal flexion exercise that can help build core strength and ab definition. To perform this exercise, sit on the floor, lie down, palms facing down either side of your body. Press your lower back into the floor, bring your knees and feet up at 90 degrees above the hips. From here, lower, keeping that 90 degrees in the knees, touch with your toes, then pull up, trying to curl up the knees towards the chest under control as smoothly as possible without explosive movement, just trying to control every part of the repetition as you bring those knees up towards the chest, touch the toes on the floor, contract the abs, feel that lower back maintaining connection with the floor as much as possible so that the work is really through the abs for the desired number of sets and reps. The only time that the lower back will come off the floor is when you tuck the knees towards the chest. And here you want to focus on tucking the pelvis up off the floor, getting those lower abs working. Pull up towards your chest so you're reducing the distance between your hips and the bottom of your chest, just really contracting those muscles in that abdominal area.